So it's currently 6 in the morning. We're going to McD's in George's place. Let's see who's gonna be there late. I'm on my way. Let's go. The second one to arrive is Jay. Morning, Jay. This guy with that drip. Hey. Morning, Francis. Morning.
Yes, sir. I was vlogging.
Second one to arrive, man. Second one to arrive.
Second one,
Let's go. Huh? What's up, bro? What's up, bro?
Let's do this, bro. Where's your bags?
Pre, Charles.
Charles.
Process.
Fancy.
This
George,
guy who
bro.
lives upstairs is late.
Yes, Jay. Bunny.
Philip. You, why you so late, bro?
Bro, I'm not late.
The old guy is here. Lives near but late.
What are you saying?
Bro, what happened, bro?
What happened? That's get fuel, bro. What are you saying?
Bro, what's good. What are you expecting for this trip, bro?
A lot of injuries, a lot of complaints. I don't know. Let's see.
So we're now on our first stop.
First stop indeed.
Where are we, guys? Where are we?
Where are we? What's the station?
What is this?
Forest something east.
We got this £2.70 water
Bum.
bottle.
If you think Central London is a bum, don't come out of London. Do not come out of London.
£3.70.
Way expensive.
Yes, sir.
So first stop, what you guys think?
We think it's Kaka.
Ano pre? What's up?
Okay, so far,
So far,
sun is up.
sunny, hoping for nice weather today. The forecast is gonna be like raining later, so good luck.
Look, that's a TikTok fam.
Yes. So where we're going, labs?
We're going off to the pub.
Off to the pubs to do what? Drink before hiking.
Get drunk.
Get drunk before walking the mountains, yeah?
Having a pub.
Let's go.
Well, I've got some.
Nice. Is this
So whoever's bringing, because once we separate two groups, we're gonna come.
so? This is the guys who has who won.
Give it to the sweeper. Who's sweeping? I'm not sure, because I mean, as much as possible, we're gonna go just one group.
Let's organize. Are you guys in the same?
Let's see first. Let's just, I mean, let's wait for one another, because we're a larger group, and
It's not as bad as last time.
I mean,
Same, bro. Yeah, last
it's,
time.
it's better if we
still
stick
heavy, but not
to.
as the last
I think mine's about
Let's see.
15. I don't know why though. Huh? No, I weighed it yesterday. It's around 15.
This guy's ready. Let me see those bags. Sheesh.
Oh, that's a sick walkie-talkie. Looking professional. You film this, bro.
Walkie-talkie, let's go. The sweeper.
Tactical, innit? Yeah.
Francis with his meal deal. Meal deal ready?
In the cafeteria.
So we are now hiking, starting the walk. It's gonna be before and after video.
We're all happy now.
30 days, 400 kilometers something.
Look how nice this is. Let's go, bro. Wait.
Jay,
Yeah.
time for a break after 5 minutes.
This one is. You know how, Kuya?
No.
It's a primitive one. So hold up, guys. Yeah, this blig blag blug blug. Kapoy naman, pre.
Bike na ta? This is the start.
It's not yet, man.
Not yet the start. Sorry.
Look fresh.
Hour number 2.
It's raining. It's already been 3 days in the mountain. 3 days. We're tired. 3 days, mate. 3 days. George hasn't eaten for a while, bro.
I'm precious, the cucumber.
Cucumber. Spell.
How are you feeling, Giza?
Very sexy.
Yeah, there is.
Where's this man? Arriba.
Came from there.
He's got a parachute.
I can't breathe. It's too high. Oh my.
Just a little.
No. It's already been like 5 days since we started hiking.
Say that.
Sheesh! How high that is. What the rocks are this?
Nah, these has to be like meteorites or some shit. Nah, this is crazy, bro. What the fuck? There has to be meteors. This is sick, bro. I love this. Actually, low key, yeah, this is better than this. I mean, yo, this is better than meats. Yeah. Hey, what?
Ooh, sticky.
Sticky. Don't drop, bro. You're gonna safely drop your waist. Hey, this is unstable, though. How did you do that?